Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fab's in the house, and today I'm in the house with the Spartan Blades Field Grade Astor here with me for a quick review, but hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's just quickly check this guy out. Let's do the usual unboxing of this bad boy. Pretty straightforward box. I love the compactness of the box because look at this. This is space management. It's pretty efficient, just a regular box and a plastic bag, but still I like the fact that they are taking care of the environment in saving some space and cardboard, so that's pretty good. And then here you find this pretty interesting liner lock. This is the Spartan Blades Astor, and that's gonna be around 8.25 inches with a 3.5 inch long cutting edge with a 6 inch long handle. So not a small knife, but not like a huge knife as well. This is a nice liner lock with G10 scales. It's sporting like a CTS XHP steel blade with dual thumb studs. This guy is running on washers, has a deep carry pocket clip, couple standoffs going on, lanyard hole option. Clip is reversible. You can just put it on this side. They give you, of course, like this plate, which is included. It's pretty smooth. Blade is centered. The action is very, very nice and snappy. It's a liner lock running on washers, but guys, this is flying open. Sometimes I'm even able to open it like with a spidey flick, like this, so it's pretty good. There's no like really drop shotty action, but it's a nice one. From the weight perspective, it's not like a super heavy knife, but you see like this liner is pretty thick, and that's gonna reflect in the weight at 5.01 ounces. So it's not like super light weight, but it's a solid one. The good thing about this guy, it's like the ergos, like how it feels in the hand, like with this jimping, with this finger groove, it feels absolutely like a boss in the hand. So it feels solid, sturdy, like reliable. It's a good feeling in the hand. From the sound department, it's snappy. It just clacks in place. When you close it, not much going on, but the opening sound, oh boy, it's beautiful. That and the grip are the highlights for me for this guy. But hey, if you want to know more, please check out my full-length review. And don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned.